Annyeonghaseyo, Anami. So, how are you today? Good. So, kumusta man ang school? How's your school? Okay ra? What time ang imong class? City lo, what time na? Okay, so, here's your transportation. 50 pesos. That's from Macton Korea channel. 감사합니다. Study hard, Anami, okay? Bye. Thank you.
안녕하세요, Charmaine. So today, it's your birthday. So, this is sponsored by Daejunim. 감사합니다. So, mao na yung mga handa. So before ta mga mag-blow on na ta sa candle. Before you blow the candle, make a wish una. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Charmaine. How old are you na? 12. So, before you blow the candle, Kwanzaa, make a wish. Hey. So, pangalan mo? Kauna mo?
Nagsabay-sabay ka na siya.
So, sa may mong na-feel nga birthday ni mo ron? Happy na siya kay? Did you turn 12 na? So, happy na ka magkuhan. Happy na ka mag 15. So, kaon sa mo?
Kapoy na sila dito. Pagkuhan. Thank you sa pag-sponsor dito.
Hi, Charmaine. Bye-bye.
Okay, get your copy. We will discuss about the 3 tenses of the verb. We have the present tense, future, and the past tense. So first, we have the present tense. So the structure of the present tense is you have the subject plus the base verb. So mag-add kag es or s for he, she, or it nga subject. So we have here example number 1. I eat breakfast at 7 a.m. So where is the subject man ani? I eat breakfast at 7 a.m. The subject. Kinsa may gistoryahan? Where's the subject? Ang I. Very good, Mards. Don't cover your face, Mards. So, I is the subject and the verb is? Okay. It. Very good. So, ang subject is I, then ang verb is it. So, ang structure sa present tense, we have the subject plus base verb. So, kung dili man ni siya nagamit og he, she, og it nga subject, so, as is ra ang verb niya, walay additional nga s o es. So the second example is she reads book every night. So the subject is she. No, using punctuation, commas, colons, and semicolons. So when we said commas, used to separate parts of a sentence or list and to clarify meaning. So the comma is used to separate the sa sentence or kanang naay mga list para ma-clarify ang meaning. So uses of comma. First, in a list. Kung maghimo ta og lista, dira mo occur ang commas. Then second, before a conjunction. So before de magamit og conjunction, naa dira mo occur ang comma. So kay bawo naman taon sa tong conjunction. Conjunction is a connecting word. Dayon na siya compound sentence. So dira pod mo occur ang comma. Then after introductory elements. So after introductory elements mo occur pod dira ang comma. The next, to set off non-essential information. So those are the uses of commas. Next is the colon. Used to introduce or emphasize something that follows. So ang colon day, gigamit siya para mag-introduce or ma-emphasize ang something nga musunod. So ang uses niya, first, to introduce a list after a complete sentence. Kabantay mo sa mga examples nga akong gihatag yesterday. So after mag-introduce a list, dira ni occur ang colon.
Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, Teacher Nisan.
So today is your memorization day. Go ahead and start.
My family life. My family is very important. I live with my parents. I have one brother is younger than me. We eat dinner together every night. My mom cooks dinner. My dad tells funny stories. After dinner we talk.
Very good. Next.
My family life. My family is very important. I live with my parents. I have one brother is younger than me. We eat dinner together every night. My mom cooks dinner. My dad tells funny stories. After dinner we talk.
Very good. Next.
My family life. My family is very important. I live with my parents. I have one brother is younger than me. We eat together every night. My mom cooks dinner. My dad tells funny story. After dinner we talk.
Very good. Simon.
My family life. My family is very important. I live with my parents. I have one brother is younger than me. We eat dinner together every night. My mom cooks dinner. My dad tells funny stories. After dinner we talk.
Very good. Nice job.
So today, we have a new story. Ang title is Bunny the Rabbit. Sa title?
Bunny the Rabbit.
Okay, so ato sang basahon ha, tapos ato i-explain. After na to sa pag-explain sa story, natay questions. Okay? So natay questions 1 to 5. Okay, very good. So 1 to 5. So, let's start. I have a bunny.
I have a bunny.
It is gray and white.
It is gray and white.
It has long ears.
It has long ears.
Has. It's like
It's like
carrots,
carrots,
grass, and vegetables.
and vegetables.
It can jump high.
It can jump high.
I like its soft fur.
I like it so fur.
Rabbits
Rabbits
are adorable
are adorable
creatures.
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 Okay, so
So, good evening, students.
Good evening, Teacher May.
So, karon mag-topic ta about LCM. What is LCM?
The LCM is the smallest whole numbers that is multiple of 2 or more given numbers.
So, unsa man daw ng LCM? Ang LCM kuno kay asay less
Common multiple.
So, ang LCM kuno is the smallest whole number that is multiply of 2 or more given number. Example, LCM of 5 and 3. Unsaon siya pagkuha? Mag-multiply ta gamit ani, di ba? 5 ug 3 man sa. So, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25,
30,
35. So, sa 3 na po.
3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24.
So, asa man ang kanabitang pinakagamay, pero same sila. So, 15. So, ang LCM kay ang
15.
the LCM of 5 and 3 is 15. So, LCD. What is LCD?
LCD is the smallest multiple of 2 or more denominator.
Oh, unsa man ang LCD?
Less common denominator.
So, ang LCD kuno is less common denominator is the smallest multiple of 2 or more denominator.